how to use the PrizePicks mobile app for quick picks. Now, if you've been trying to use the PrizePicks mobile application for quick picks, well, basically, on PrizePicks, simply pick more or less than 2 or 6 player projections and log in your lineup. In Pick Them, choose Power Play, which all must win, or Flex, basically 1 or 2 can miss, and stay in the green to win big payouts. In Pick 'em Arena, compete against other members and win real money by having the best lineup. This way you can use PrizePicks mobile app for quick picks. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon as always in our next video.